Hello guys, this is Teachers Binary Options channel. Today I'm going to focus on 1 hour expiries. A lot of you guys have been asking me if there's any other way that you can trade 60 minutes and also 30 minutes. It's actually classic binary options. I'm going to upload this video on my website, so you can also check on the screen for my website www.binaryoptionsteacher.com. You can also get my email teachersbinaryoptions@gmail.com. So if you want the indicators, if you think you like the strategy, you can just contact me via email. So let's get started, guys. It's been a while since I've done my last video. I'll do a quick demonstration and do some trades live. So first, let me show you the trades that I took in the morning. Today is the 5th of April 2017. You can check here on the right bottom corner, 5 April. It's actually Wednesday. So I'm just showing you the trades for today alone, because this is a new account that I just created. You can check 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I took about 9 trades. Let's just calculate quickly. Let's just cancel here. 7 over 8 by 100. No, I made a mistake. I divided instead of multiplying. It should be by, let's say, 7 over 8 by 100. You can already see it's 87.5. It's actually, no, I made a mistake. I took 9 trades, so it's supposed to be 8 over 9. If you calculate that one, will give you around 88%, 0.8. So this is the first confirmation. The second one, and here is where you enter the trade. So I just want to teach you the price action part, so that you can actually confirm with the indicators that I'm using here. If you check here, this is the support. This is a support. It's a very strong support. You can see here, do not panic, don't worry about the lines. I'll explain. Also here and here, let's just draw another one here. So you can see this is another support level, where this is where it started actually, because here there's nothing. This is where it started. If you go back, you can see whenever it reaches that price level, it will bounce back. So right now I'm expecting that the Euro USD is going to go back up. So let's change the currency, Euro USD. So here, if you check on the sentimental too, this is another added confirmation that you can use if you're using this platform. This platform look is like a demo account for STOCKPAIR. So I'll put a link in the description below. If you want to sign up with STOCKPAIR, you can also sign up and use this strategy. It works very well. So here's the first confirmation. You can see the price is around 20 period. Here it's going for 30. The RSI is supposed to reach 30 or below 30, anyway close to 30. And also let's check the level, the price level. You can see here it was the resistance, but once you can see here, this was the resistance. This one, I actually took this trade and I won it. You can see it continues. You can see even there. Let's just draw a quick line, just a rectangle. You can see here, this is the price level. Whenever the price goes into that level, the blue one, you take the trade. You can see also here this is another good example of price action. And price action is very easy rather than guessing when you are trading. Let's see here. Whenever the price will enter that blue zone, I'll take the trade. So this is another trade that I missed. I have already I drew the that blue rectangle. I was waiting for the price to touch there so that I take the trade, but I was away from my computer and this doesn't give signals. I actually didn't set it to give me a signal, because you can actually set the price level where you can get notified when the price touches there. So here you can see this is a nice confirmation here. It's above 80, and also here it has touched the 70 RSI. So the stochastics is to touch 80 or above 80, and the RSI is to be 70 or also touch there for me to be able to take a put. If I want to take a call, the stochastics is to touch 20, and on the stochastic you see there's a yellow line. That's the one I'm focused more on. There are actually two lines there. I'll follow the yellow, the darker one, and let's just see here. This is a price level that I'm looking at. I'll go to the chart. You can see here on the previous times that there was this was acting as a support. So let's just say let's just draw something. You can see the price level from here to this side. This was acting as support, and it broke here. Here you can see it broke. It went below the level for support. So now when it comes back, it becomes the resistant. As you can see now, it's coming back as resistant. So you just check on your left. Support can be resistant, or resistant can be the support. So this is another confirmation. You can check here on the segmental too. Like I said, in this time it's even saying it's 100%, it's going to go down, which is exactly what I've actually. So I take a put, I'll put a 200, and these trades are going for 1 hour. So this is a nice entry, this one. I'll just put an arrow so that I'll remember this when I'm not on the. So you can actually see the 3 indicators are confirming, the 2 indicators are confirming, and I also have the segmental 2, and the price action is also confirming. So there's a bigger possibility that you can win the trade. Okay, on this one, it's confirming that it's above the stochastics is above 80, which is okay, and the RSI is above 70, which is also okay. So now we want to check with the price action. So I put a trend line, but as you can see, this price has not been hit previously, so we don't know whether we are going to take a put here. But the best decision will be to avoid this trade, because you don't know, it may keep on going since it has never reached the previous high or previous low. This in this case is a previous high. So let's just put an arrow here. This is another possibility. You can see below here the price is crossed, the stochastic is crossed below 20, and the RSI is about to touch 30. So you can actually take a risk, but if you're a beginner, I advise you not to take the trade. So you can also look at the previous possibilities. when it happened. The stochastic crossed below and the RSI didn't cross, but it was a winning trade. So we can take this trade based on that, and also use a confirmation for sentimental too, which is so we're going to take a call 1 hour. So you can see here it has been confirmed. There's also ARD USD. That's the one I was supposed to trade, but I couldn't because I was not on them on the online. So you can see here there's another indicator that I'm also trying. This indicator is saying 76%. It's going to go down, and based on the reviews that I have seen, I'm going to try this indicator on 15 minutes, since it's more based on 15 minutes expiries. So it's saying 76 is going to go down. Cool. So here, this indicator, I'm not sure if I should take this trade. It should say 15 minutes expiry. But I made a mistake. I took a 1 hour. Of which, to me, a 1 hour is more reliable than the 15 minutes. Was looking at the price. Most of the time in 15 minutes it won't go much. It's better the 30 minutes and the 1 hour. So here I'll put 2 arrows, since I took 2 trades, one for 15 minutes and one for 1 hour. So as you can already see, let's just so I paused the video. Now I'm back. I'm trying to see if we can trade this. There's a good confirmation on the stochastics that the price has gone down. It might be coming back. Let me just remove the auto scroll. It keeps on disturbing. Chart auto scroll. Okay. So I just want to be able to so here you can actually see here there's a possibility that I can take this trade. Because this was the resistant line, resistant level. This was another one. Let's just put this. So you can see here it was going down. That was support. Here there's nothing. Let me just work with what is there, because you do not have to go back too much. But you can see here the price, it once reached here and it went back. So based on this confirmation of the RSI is below 20s, and the stochastic RSI is below 30, the stochastic is below 20. So this is a good confirmation. Let's just quickly select the currency to, it's what's this currency? New Zealand. So you notice on the USD card and on those two trades, the previous two trades, the last ones, I only put 100 because I'm not sure if this is going to be, I'm still testing this indicator with my parameters. I'm not sure if it's a win, but my other strategy, the one I'm showing you on this video, I actually made the video for this strategy specifically, showing you the price action and the RSI and the stochastics, how I use them. I also have my own parameters that I used, so if you want them, you can actually just like my video and send me an email. If you like my video, you can send me an email and then we can talk from there. I'll also share with you. If you already have my other 60 seconds strategy and also my 5-minute strategy, you should contact me this video. I'm going to give you these indicators, as I've promised a lot of you guys that I'll give you more indicators once you have access to my other indicators, so that you keep benefiting from this. So you can also see here the Sentimental 2 is saying it's going to go up. So you can see here the 15 minutes is about to expire and it's still out of the money. Yeah, let me take this opportunity and remind you guys, when you are trading binary options, do not get emotional. You are not going to win all the trades. You must forget about that. You can actually lose all if you expect to win all of them, because the more you think that the trade is actually going to be a winning trade, in most cases it will tend to be the opposite. So I would like to emphasize in this point again, you are not going to win all the trades with binary options, so forget about that. There is no strategy that can be like bulletproof. In some cases you have to lose and then use your money management. Like in my case, I'm going to use martingale. I'm not just going to use martingale, but I know my indicators and my price action that I'm going to get my losses back. I do not need to put more than 2 trades on this one if I'm using price action. If I lose one, I do martingale. If I lose again, I leave it, of which I'd never lost consecutive like in martingale using price action. So you can see there the charts, USD card. So you can see the 15 minutes trade is expired and it was a loss. I was using the indicator, the boss, is it called the boss indicator? This indicator is not accurate as much as they say it is. You can actually see my own 15 minutes trade, the one I took for New Zealand. It's actually expired in the money. These were 15 minutes trades. I've actually paused the video so that I had to come back when it's about to expire. Like now, the trade's about to expire. Let's just quickly check this just to see if there's any other trading opportunities. Here there was a big spike. I don't know why. Maybe there's some news. I'll also check. If there's news, you can actually lose trades like crazy. So you can see here I've been recording here on the timer. It's about 47 something, besides the other time that I have cut out. So let's just check. This chart is just want to see how far I am. All right, I hope you understand, guys, because I'm not going to show you a trade for 1 hour. I'll try to cut so that Euro USD is about to expire now. And it's let's see, this one is a bit out. I don't know, maybe it might come back. If it doesn't come back, I might have to use Matinga on this, but there's still a good possibility. USD JPY was in the money, but it went back now. It's now back out. This might be a losing trade, but like I said, guys, you mustn't worry too much when you lose a trade. It's part of trading binary options. So this should be, let me just, so that we can actually see. You can see right now there's 1.9. Okay, I lost one trade for $100, which was USD card, and I won 370, which means I got back my loss, and a small profit. So if you check here, it's about to expire. Keep your eyes open. Just check the balance. It's taking time. Why is it taking time? Now it is expired. You can see the price, the balance has gone up to 2.391 cents, and the USD JPY is also about to expire, and it's getting in the money now. You can see the majority of it was in the money. So you can see this is not guesswork. Even though it was too tight, but it was in the money. USD card is getting in and out. Because we started with a 2.7. If we can get back more than 2.7, it means we made profit. So the other advantage for trading 1 hour expiry, the price, if like the market is enough time to move. So even if a broker is manipulating prices, or you think is manipulating prices, it will be difficult to manipulate price on 1 hour expiries, because in most cases when you win a trade, it goes like about 20 pips, which is difficult to manipulate 20 pips. So now you can see even the USD JPY, it's even going back inside the money, like it's deep down in the money. I'm sure it's going for the previous support, that previous price, the one it touched. So this is interesting, guys, this strategy. If you already have some of my strategies, just email me. I'll also give you this strategy. And if you are new to this channel, if you are interested in trading with my indicators, my parameters, I'll also provide you with a PDF step by step. You can simply email me at teachersbinaryoptions@gmail.com. So you can see here, this is in the money. There's no way it can just jump and go out. There's enough room. And also New Zealand, now it's actually also in the money, but there's still more time. This one is taking time. This is why I always try to cut the videos if I'm trading 1 hour, because it's kind of very long to wait for the trade. Price is still trying to go back up, and it's still in the money. So far we have 2 wins, 1 loss. Let's just wait a bit. It's about to expire now. There it is. Now we are sitting on 2,670, and we started with a 2.7, which means we've made some profit. If we can manage to win this looks like a winning trade to me, but it's deep down in the money. You see, the majority of these trades, they are always in the money. It's going out. Let's see how far it is. It's still in the money there on the chart. Let's go back. Let's see. Well, this was the winning trade, the one we got. The USD card is not very. Just it's another winning trade. We just need about $100 for us to make profit, of which if we win this one, we are making profit of more than 300. This is delaying now, but it's deep down in the money there. You can see on the chart, it's deep in the money. So just check the balance from 2,670 and 40. This was another simple win. So let's check the USD card. It looks like it's going in the money now. Let's just, this chart is set to H1 since I was using the boss indicator. Let's just, yes, this is how it should look. So it's also trying, it's actually getting deep in the money now. So this strategy works best with the, I've tested it with the few brokers. I'm sure a lot of you guys, if you are familiar, this is actually STOCKPAIR. This is how the platform works. Even the time, it's the same. You go for 1 hour, 30 minutes if you want. So you can see here on the recording that I have been recording for more than an hour. It's just that I've been pausing the videos to try and get and shorten the videos. So this one is actually way deep in the money now. This is a good thing. Means we are winning this one. So the trade is about to expire, and as you can see, guys, the trade is way down there. Let's see here, check the balance. There it is, it's in the money. This was $100 trade, that's why we didn't make much. We made 185. So now we are sitting on 3,225. And the best thing for me is to pause the video again. Let's just see if there's any other opportunity. So this was a winning trade. Okay guys, as you can see, the New Zealand US dollar, it expired and I took about 7 more trades. I lost 4 on those 7 trades and I won 3. So if you can do the math, let's just quickly check. You can see a lot of greens. Green is a win, red are losses. So let's start by checking here. This is another loss too. There is another loss. Loss was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 losses for today. (15, 16, 17, 18, 19). All right. So altogether, I had 19 winning trades plus the 6 losses. So it's 19 out of 25. Out of 25 by 100, the accuracy is reduced to 76%, which is not bad. So you can actually see, guys, that this strategy is more like consistent, because what you need for binary options, anything above 55%, you should be able to make profit with a good money management. So you can see even the other guys for the past 7 days, they are having around 71%, 79. This one is high. You can see 64%, but is actually in the top 3 for the profit, because he has a better money management strategy. You can see a lot of guys here, they have 66. They are actually 54, 53. They're actually less than what I am. The other one is even have 40%. So you can see that my 70%, 70 is 76. I'm actually better than all these other guys you see here. You can see this one, the number one is for the past 7 days, it's actually 74%. And you even have 199 followers. You can also check a lot of guys there in the top 20. Only this one and this one, the 70, 78 and the 77, they are above me, the accuracy. But here and there. So just to sum it up, you can already see that this is a very solid strategy. If you'd like to try it and want to learn from me, you can contact me via email. My email is on the screen, teachersbinarioptions@gmail.com. You can also go to my website to see the other strategies, or if you want to contact me, I also have another email there from my email server. You can also use that one if this one is not getting through. So I'll be updating you guys how I go. There's a lot of videos coming. If you subscribe and like the video, I would appreciate. And when you subscribe, you can actually be able to see whenever I upload a new video. So thank you for watching, guys, and enjoy.